Hello guys, welcome back to NAFRMJ channel. In this video, I want to tell you a story about Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty is a little cat girl. She lives in the suburbs of London with her parents, Mary White and George White. He is funny and reliable, though absent-minded. And his wife is a talented cook and housewife. Hello Kitty has a twin sister named Mimi, who enjoys patchwork and embroidery. Hello Kitty owns a Persian cat named Charmy Kitty. She is an obedient white cat who likes shiny things. Hello Kitty has another pet, a Hungarian hamster named Sugar, who was given by her sensitive childhood friend. Hello Kitty is very energetic, bright, and friendly. She loves exploring the world with her friends and is never afraid or shy to try new things. Hello Kitty's hobbies include traveling, music, reading, making new friends, and eating cookies that Mimi and her mother bakes. She also enjoys baking herself, and she loves her grandmother's apple pies. Furthermore, Hello Kitty likes tea parties and exploring. Hello Kitty's dream is to have all the apples in the world in the future. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and ring the bell.